Subliminal TV.
So, last week I was telling you guys about some of the gear that I got for this riding season that I'm excited about, and I am excited about those things, but one other thing that I'm way more excited about. If you only knew how much trouble I had to go through, and if you're on YouTube even a little bit, into filmmaking even a little bit, you know what's going on with DJI right now. So I've been using my trusty Mavic 2 Pro for the longest time, and it's great. It has never failed me, except the times I crashed it in a tree myself. But hey, that's pilot era, not the drone era. So the Mavic 2 Pro has been great, but this Mavic 4 has come out. Now I was about to get a Mavic 3 actually, because I'm thinking how much more features can the Mavic 4 have? I don't have to pay however much it costs. I didn't even know how much it costs, but I'm thinking to myself, however much it costs is gonna be way more than the Mavic 3. And the Mavic 2 does what I needed to do, so why am I gonna go out of my way to even worry about the Mavic 4 right now? Let it depreciate in value a little bit and I'll get one later. For now, let's get a Mavic 3. So I went and I said, you know, let me do some YouTube searches and just do Mavic 2 versus Mavic 3 and see how much more, if it's even worth it for me to upgrade in the first place, because remember, like I said, I'm getting what I need out of the Mavic 2, so is there really a need? I look it up and I figure it out that yes, it is worth the upgrade, so I'm going to get a Mavic 3. But wait, just a minute. Before I go and click that buy it now button, let me just see what the Mavic 4 has to offer. Why did I do that? Now, I cannot unsee it. So, went to check out the Mavic 4 and I realized how sweet the features are on the Mavic Pro. I'll go into it in another video about how sweet those features are and the exact features that made me so focused and hell-bent on getting the Mavic 4. But when I made my mind up, I had a long phone conversation with DJI because obviously we can't ship them into the USA right now. It's hard to get. I went through so much trouble trying to figure out how am I gonna get this thing. I'm looking in Europe, Madrid, Mexico, Canada, you name it. I'm trying to figure out how am I gonna get this drone because I want it. And when I set my mind to something, there's really, I'm focused. Once I'm focused, I'm focused. So, I end up with a Mavic 4 Pro Creator Combo. Now, I was even willing to go with the regular Mavic 4 base model if I had to and get this controller later, and I'll get into that probably in another video as well. But this controller has some features that for me, it just works, it's more convenient. And if you get the regular Mavic 4, come back later for this, you're gonna end up paying more. Not to mention you also get the extra batteries, the charging hub, the fast charger, so that I can charge all my batteries up in like 90 minutes. The Fly More combo also comes with this bag. But again, for me, I needed the Creator Combo for different reasons. Another thing is it has like 512 gigabytes of internal storage. It has the all-eye recording codec. It's a lot. So what I don't want to do is go over all the specs because enough people are doing that, and I always try to do my own thing. Not knocking what anybody else does, but you've seen enough of that. So I'm just telling you why I got it and what I like about it. But I will open this for you, and I've already opened it, so this is not an unboxing video. Another thing that I may do that here and there, but I don't really focus on doing that. But the charging hub I was talking about, it comes with 2 extra batteries, and for me, I want to get the 3rd battery because something about this empty slot being here doesn't sit right with me because the other battery is actually in the drone. For me, I feel like it should be full of batteries because I'm never gonna have the drone without a battery in it, so that's a whole other battery slot, right? The drone itself, oh my God. I did a test flight yesterday with this drone and it flies so smooth. I cannot stress enough how awesome. This is easily my favorite drone, and I haven't even, oh my God. I haven't really even experienced it to the max yet. I only flew it for a little while yesterday. When you unfold these legs, you see the drone, it automatically wakes up. I love that. I love that. Look at the face. It looks like it has a face. Another thing I got with my drone, I ordered ND filters. Now, I'm waiting for Polar Pro to release. It's on pre-order. they're not ready yet, but I got these because just in case. I haven't even tried them yet. Like I say, I did just a test run yesterday, but just from flying this drone yesterday, I'm telling you this. Do you understand what I had to go through to get you? Do you understand what I had to go through to get you? But I'm glad that I did. I love that this controller, oh my God, like I was so hell-bent on getting this controller. So you unfold it and it automatically comes on. The one thing I will talk about, I don't want to go too much into all the features that I was so crazy about with this whole Pro combo setup, the Creator combo setup. But the one thing that really got me going was how you have the dynamic home point update. So wherever I go, if I want to chase a car up the highway, I don't have to worry about the drone having a dead battery and wanting to return home and go the other way. So I can't really get the shot that I want. With this controller, the drone is going to follow me wherever I'm at, so I can chase the car as much as I want. I love it. What I immediately did upon getting this drone yesterday, I ordered a few accessories because it's so pretty and I spent so much money on it that I don't even want to land it. I was launching yesterday off of a Home Depot cardboard box, and on my Mavic 2, I never even use a launch pad. I put it down anywhere, even at the beach, sand, I put it down anywhere. But I spent way too much money for this thing. I'm trying my best to take care of it. And obviously we don't have DJI Care right now, so insurance is a must. I'm sorry I threw that bag, so I want to show you guys. It does come with a bag. And because this controller is so unique and also expensive, I bought all of the things I need to keep that protected as well. So that is the silicone sleeve for the controller. That is also the cover for the screen. That'll go on top of the screen like that whenever you're not using it. And obviously neck straps, because these are actually nice. Yeah, these are actually nice. Last but not least, screen protectors. And I am about to set this whole thing up later, but I just wanted to tell you guys that I have gotten my hand on the Mavic 4 Pro, and I'm only saying that because I was just talking about all this gear that I like. One more thing, remember I got the DJI Mic Mini to go with the 7P Osmo phone gimbal, right? Well, this controller, I could put this receiver in the bottom of it or just connect it Bluetooth and do audio while I'm flying the drone. You can hear audio. How's that? I'm very excited, like I said last week, for the new X5 for motorcycle riding. Absolutely. But overall, for traveling and for doing all of my content in general, this one right here is easily my new favorite of everything. But yeah, I just want to talk about this thing that I got because there's a lot of fuss going on about it right now. So you guys should be looking for videos for this drone soon. Matter of fact, I may shoot some today or tomorrow. By this weekend or next week, I'll have some footage up of this drone. I just did like a test run yesterday. I might throw some footage over this B-roll for now, but you guys will see some footage from this drone soon and my thoughts and reviews on it from me flying it overall, which I know is gonna be great because I can tell you now I love this drone, but just more in depth. See you guys soon. Peace.
Subliminal TV.